It's like kitchen, big table, even like empty space here. Then you have it's like chill out, couch, hang out. We can get out here, and then we have an outside chilling area with a beautiful wooden table. It's also functioning as our work table right now. And then if we go to the, is it called veranda? Yeah, veranda. This is insane. Like rice fields. Look at those rice fields, brown fields. Oh, spacious here. Big table. We're now 4 people in this house. Ricky, Jay, me, and Anastasia, which is my girlfriend. And we have 3 bedrooms. So we're gonna show those. Kitchen. Also very spacious kitchen. You can actually like do stuff. Cook. Plates. We have Penny. First balcony. And then here you can see actually, just to explain it, the entrance that we just walked into the house is exactly under here. And then down here, we got the pool right in front of our entrance. That door is where the gate when you actually come into our property. We have an entrance to the house and an entrance to the property. How fucking it is. They got a what's that called? Bathtub, and they got a shower, so you know it's well equipped. Oh yeah, that's really nice. Can we take a look at your room?
Yep.
And then second bedroom. It's a bit smaller. This is Wicky's wet room. Second bed, and again, fucking view on the rice fields. We have on all sides. We got rice fields. More rice fields over there. And then let's look at the second bedroom. Nicely equipped again. Well, I don't know what it is. Why did they decide to put it there? Guys, we have some space left here. What should we do? Just close it off. Just close it off. Walk back downstairs again. And look at the garden a little bit better. Yeah, there's a small guest palm trees. And finish it later. Price, location.
Is that an outside shower?
Oh, we got an outside shower. Oh, you can't go there. Made it. Where did you turn it on?
Send it.
And
I look like a creep, just like filming like.
Ricky, I'm showering. Alright. So this.
It's time for one of Piers' super amazing, ultra awesome house tours.
Oh no! How do I open it? These tools are too smooth operator.
Yeah, this is perfect. Okay.
Okay, so we just arrived and put our bags in, but I think it's time that you get a nice little house tour of where we're going to be living for the next 4 days. And if I had my way, for the next 4 years.
Yeah, this is incredible.
It's so cool. So this is the living room. There are no walls at all. It's completely outdoors. Then over here we have our dining area, coffee machine, which is like so nicely hidden under that lampshade. And this is the minibar. And then out here is my favorite spot. This is where we sunbathe and look at this beautiful view. That drops down, there's a cliff, and then it's immediately beach. So we'll have to try and get some drone footage to show you guys that. Then we've got our beautiful plunge pool here. And I love how it's got a bunch of different steps there, so you can just relax and
Yeah, that's really nice.
yeah, it's awesome, hey. And then you come through here, and this is inside. This is where Kane will be editing. And this way is the bedroom.
Wow, look at this place.
Beautiful high ceilings, assigned to this one.
That's fine. I'm left-handed. I'll have this one.
Yeah. And then even like a little section for hair and makeup, which is awesome. I love that.
You're never going to leave this bathroom.
I never want to leave this.
How was
place.
Bali? Great. The bathroom was epic.
And then look how beautiful this shower is.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that view from the shower.
You know what?
I'm not going to turn this one on.
In this place, every angle is a good angle.
I know, right? If we can't get good photos here, we're fired. So that is our room tour.
Shorter than me.
Oh wait, it gets much smaller. Did your hat hit this?
Have I cut myself? I don't think I can train now. Injured myself.
No, that's it. You had a cheesecake yesterday. We're training.
40.
40.
40. Yeah, sorry. Too many things in my head. Here, that's your phone.
We're getting off to a really good start today.
That opens up, I think. I don't know. And then there's a living area here, but we'll have a look at that in a second. Oh, this one, so this is a twin. So are we better in a double and let Nana and Lara have a twin, or what do you think? Oh, another bathroom. Oh, so we've got our own bathrooms. That's good. Maybe we won't decide, but I don't think they'll be bothered. Would you rather have a single? I just think Nana and Lara, because they're like, I mean, mind you, you're the size of an adult. They're like two adults, so they'd be better.
Yeah.
And then let's have a look at the, oh, it's cold in here. And this is the living space. This is nice, isn't it? Kitchen with a big fridge. Important. Please reconfirm and sign your minibar daily. Whoa. Minibar. I don't think you'll have to take this stuff out. That's going to be a problem with Lara, isn't it? She'll end up eating all the minibar.
It's April.
Woo.
One of these.
And then, oh look, and this is our balcony. This is nice. This is the other pool, isn't it? This isn't this. With this one.
Yeah.
It's busy down here.
Yes.
The way. Hey.
Yes. Where are you from?
England.
Oh, England.
Yeah,
Nice.
yeah. Liverpool.
Liverpool. I love Liverpool.
You like Liverpool? Good.
Liverpool.
It's here for sunset, but it's not going to be a good one tonight, I don't think. Right, Stephen's got.